So, I was just wondering, what is going on my YouTube channel?
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So today, I have a project going on. You see all these fancy live streamers on Twitch and that, and they got these, what are they called, stream decks or something? So, I decided that today, I was going to make my own because I've got nothing better to do with my life. So, the idea was, I was going to take your run-of-the-mill, everyday keyboard, and try and make it work with normal push buttons. I see this being an absolutely horrible idea, but there's only one way to find out, and that's to take it apart. Okay, so I figured we'd get right started into this. Undo all 3,000 screws in the bottom, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so after taking out all 12 screws, I think we can finally take it apart. Yep. And China, when we said we wanted more metal, we didn't mean more screws. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's not what I remember the inside of a keyboard looking like exactly. I think I could still make this work. So what we have here, of course, is a keyboard matrix. All these little pads here. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, these two pieces come apart. Attach wires to 2 points on each side. And then we shall see what happens. Well, I have this. So I'm going to take an alligator clip, just try and clip this on here. Okay, that might not work. Welp, what do I do now? Okay, so after bending it back, we have the first one on there. Now we're going to take the second one. Because one alligator clip is just not enough. So, alright, let's try this. I doubt it's gonna work. What's to lose? Okay, we have nothing. Did I connect the right keys? Here I did. Keyboard still works. Okay, this is not going well. After some brief and short-lived experimentation, well, this doesn't work, so I guess you're just gonna have to go buy yourself a streaming deck because these don't work. Okay, well, yeah. Stay tuned next time when we try and fix a Memorex boombox. And also, this piece of shit lived, so that's nice. Yeah.